Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the iron to the correct temperature for your solder. This both melts residues and reveals tip condition. Once warm, remove bulk old solder using a brass tip cleaner or a clean wet sponge so you expose bare metal. Then, apply a little flux paste or use FluxCore solder on the freshly cleaned tip. This promotes wetting. Make sure to avoid excessive pressure. Light contact and a clean surface are what let solder flow and stick properly. Next, restore tip geometry and plating so solder can adhere. Once done cleaning, retin the tip immediately. Melt a thin, even layer of solder over the entire wettable area to protect plating and improve heat transfer. If you see pitting or heavy oxide, carefully remove it with a fine file or a dedicated reconditioning tool. Take small passes so you don't remove plating unnecessarily. If the tip is badly worn or deformed, replace it with a correct model to regain reliable wetting and thermal contact. To finish, focus on technique and quick diagnostics. Heat both the pad and the component lead together, and apply solder to the heated joint rather than the tip so the joint reaches wetting temperature. Make sure the iron's wattage and tip contact give stable heating. Intermittent heating or a bad ground can stop wetting, so replace the tip or the iron if necessary. If problems persist, use fresh flux, clean surfaces again, or try a different solder alloy. These small changes usually solve stubborn non-sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.